Yes, my people, back again with another lace swap, how to lace, all that good stuff. So I've had these for a while, keep looking at them. I think they're quite nice, obviously that's why I bought them. But then I thought, I lace swap the pandas for the laces to match the tongue. So I want to see if lace swapping these for the laces to match the tongue will make this shoe look better or worse. So I've got my laces and I'm going to do this live and have a live reaction. I was going to do the sail colorway, but it only matches the midsole, so I went with white because I thought it's basically a bit more white, so we'll leave the sail alone. Step one, obviously, which is the longest bit about lacing up and unlacing, is to undo. Nearly there. And then we will slowly put this on the side. We'll grab the one lace that we need out of the spaghetti of laces. It's actually only 2 laces, but yeah. Ooh, I don't get nervous, but I'm getting a bit shaky now. And obviously we have to start it off at the bottom. So the easiest way to do that is just put it through the hole both ways. Grab it like that. And then just literally straighten it and pull it a little bit to make it a bit tighter. Then obviously do the bottom. So you're going to go under and through, and then now you can go over. Or it's kind of hard to talk while doing the lace up for some strange reason. So I've laced these up quite loose. I haven't really been pulling them tight, just to do it kind of quickly. And I'm not going to lace it through, I'm just going to leave it on top because I think it's a bit of a cleaner look. And then one more right there. I'm not going to lace them all the way to the top. I'm just going to lace them like this. And then we will tie them up. I'm not going to lie, that looks pretty good. But I don't know if I prefer the black laces or the white laces. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it up to everyone else to decide. Probably run a poll or something. Comment below what you prefer. Could this be one of the best lace swaps into white? It changes the whole look, but it still keeps them quite nice. So I literally don't know what I'm going to do now. Bit stuck. But yeah. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.